Today, I'm doing a quick microwave clean to make it fresh again. First, I remove the plate and wipe away all the loose crumbs inside. Now I gently clean the walls and corners, where food splashes usually hide. A simple wipe instantly makes it look brighter and cleaner. Next, I clean the glass door until it becomes clear and shiny. I love seeing that fresh sparkle come back. Finally, I place everything back neatly. And just like that, my microwave looks clean, fresh, and ready to use again.